E-commerce is the future. Seriously, right now it's 2020 and people are moving more and more towards e-commerce. If you're not growing an e-commerce store right now, it's time to start. Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com, and today I'm going to convince you why e-commerce is the future. Seriously, e-commerce has been growing consistently over the last 10 years, and right now it's hitting a really pivotal point. I've been working in this industry for a number of years. I started my first e-com store 7 or 8 years ago, and since then I've generated over $12 million in sales on e-commerce stores. Right now, we're seeing some absolutely crazy stuff. E-commerce was already growing consistently, but once COVID hit, it's been on steroids. Suddenly, all these people can't go outside. They can't get their normal dopamine hit from shopping in person, so they're going online and buying a lot of stuff. We're seeing sales go up like crazy, and across the board, we've seen the ROAS, return on ad spend, increase by 20 to 50% on all accounts. It's crazy. Okay, so why is this happening? Think about all the people that before this year never really bought stuff on e-commerce stores. Older sort of demographic, the older generation, that demographic. I have a grandpa that's 98 and a grandma that's 97, and they never buy stuff online. Suddenly, they can't do their regular shopping and they're forced to buy things online. So you have this big wave of people out there that previously never touched e-commerce, never trusted online stores or using their credit card online, and now they're entering the market. This is huge. It's a big market of retirees that have cash to spend, and it works really well for the niche stores that have high profit margins. Products like tech typically have smaller margins. So you have to sell a much bigger volume of products to make a good profit. But if you have a brand store that builds trust, this works really well for the older generation. And suddenly you have a lot of people that want exactly what you sell. They're coming into the market for the first time, and you can sell your products straight to them. You also have the general population of people that are all stuck inside and they're bored out of their brains. They buy stuff online sometimes to get that dopamine hit when you get something new, but as well, they want to improve their homes and their lives. Now, I don't think this will last forever, but I think this is going to have a big impact on future behavior. People will be much more used to just buying things online. Even the other day, I heard that the parent of Zara are closing 1,200 physical stores in favor of changing fully to e-commerce. That's huge. I think that e-commerce really is the way of the future, and physical stores are basically going to become changing rooms where people can go sample and see and try on the products before they purchase, and it gets shipped to their house. The other thing I'm seeing is that while Amazon gets bigger and bigger, people still really value those brand stores. They want to buy local, but they also want to buy from people that get them. They want to see reviews, people engaging and using those products, but even more, they want a brand that speaks to them. This is an opportunity for e-com store owners to not just sell products, but to create a buying experience and treat their customers as if they're an audience. Just like what I'm doing here on my YouTube channel, guys, I'm constantly getting feedback from you guys, and I'm trying to create the best experience I can for my content. This is what the best stores are doing. They're really listening to the market and changing and finding the best way to solve their problems. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or anything to say, please leave them in the comments below. Please check out my channel. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.